Elles ont une technique, elles travaillent avec beaucoup de rapidité, mais très vite. J'ai jamais vu ça. Mais elles ont été patientes avec nous dans nos gestes un petit peu, je dirais plus lents, mais elles étaient là. Maintenant, elles sont super sympas.
I am very excited to be here in Mauritius. It is amazing to be with the people who are so lively, very friendly. With Shalini, with Dr. Arthur, I've learned a lot of things from them, of which I'm going to take to my practice in my clinic in Kenya. One, I've learned how to do injections. They have a very unique way of doing it. I'm so surprised the way they do it, and I have really embraced it and loved it.
I've just spent the most wonderful several days here in Mauritius, learning hair transplants from some of the world's top, hair transplant surgeons, and really forming a bond that, this will last for a lifetime.